safe. Firefighter.
That is Larry Long and American Roots Reviews singing their new song, Firefighter, Duty, Honor, Courage.
So Larry wrote the song along with the Minnesota Firefighter Initiative, or MnFIRE, to highlight the need to do more to protect the health of Minnesota firefighters.
President of MnFIRE, George Esbensen, is here with us on Mid-Morning. Nice to have you with us, Chief.
Great to be
retired?
Here.
You're retired
from
the fire department, but still fighting for your fellow women and men out there who are putting their lives on the line for us.
Absolutely. My entire career, became obvious within months of starting with Eden Prairie Fire that the most important resource we had as a fire department was our people. And as I rose through the ranks, that was always my main focus, obviously delivering service to the residents as well. And after going to a lot of funerals and visiting people in the hospitals around the consistent issues of cancer, cardiac, and emotional trauma, some of us got together and formed this nonprofit called the Minnesota Firefighter Initiative. Somewhere along the line, I missed a meeting and I got made president.
That's how that works.
It's a lesson to everybody.
So they said, this guy retired, let's bring him on,
exactly.
Right?
And then Larry Long, who's a person that I've known for many years, got interested and said, you know what, I think we need to sort of memorialize the fighter journey in their careers in a song, and Larry's exceedingly passionate and talented.
So you mentioned cardiac, emotional, cancer, health issues among firefighters. Tell us the extent of the problem.
So the extent of the problem is massive. So compared to the general population, firefighters get these three things, cancer, cardiac, and emotional trauma, and die from them at twice the rates of the general population. Suicides, when I say twice, that's the lowest end. So for instance, with suicide, the numbers are so sketchy because suicide really lives in the dark.
Right.
No one wants to talk about it, and so it's really hard to parse that out. But minimally, it's 2.5 times the rates of the general population. Some statistics say it's as high as 6 times that of the general population.
And the MnFIRE concern is that when firefighters have those issues, the funding isn't there to make sure they're properly taken care of?
Correct. So it's a multifaceted issue. These are clearly issues that the fire service has a role in correcting internally, so we need to change the culture
Fix
of
it
the
on the
fire
front
service.
end. Right.
Absolutely. We need to treat those people that get in the jackpot, and in between there we need to provide education and mitigation strategies. And there really isn't funding in Minnesota for any of those things. We rank 21st as a nation in our population, but we rank 48th in the nation in our investment in the fire service.
Right. You're doing a lot of work at the Capitol over there to try and push that through.
Exactly. So we're trying to change that paradigm. It takes time. We have introduced legislation called the Hometown Heroes Assistance Program, and we're asking all firefighters and the people that support firefighters, which hopefully is all 5 million Minnesotans, to reach out to their legislators and ask them to push this initiative through this year. People don't have time to wait.
The song is called Firefighter, now available for free download or streaming. It's on the MnFIRE site. Soon it'll be on major streaming services. You can go to WCCO.com/links to check it out.
Yeah, Chief, thanks. Great
Thank
to see you again.
Great to see you.